How to make photo collage on iPhone without any apps. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the shortcut app on your mobile device. Once you tap on this shortcut app, just know that shortcut app is built into iPhone. iOS 13 Plus is required for this. You can use it automatically to create a collage. Now tap on the gallery option available at the bottom tab. Once you tap on the gallery, you can see the search icon available there. Simply type down the photo grid option available and tap on it and download it. It might take for a while, so I have already downloaded this on my shortcut, so it will ask me to re-download it or not. So here I am tapping on the re-downloading or simply adding the shortcut option available there. Now once it is done, all you have to do is tap on it and you will be navigated to photos. Now all you have to do is choose the photos you want to create collage of. Then once you choose the photos, shortcut app will automatically create a collage and show it to you. There you have to tap on the share icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen and save this image to your photos. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.